Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hafiz Fikri Perazali, and today I will show you the basic component in Unity. The components that I'm going to show you is hierarchy, inspector, project window, overlay, toolbar, scene view, game view, and status bar. First, the hierarchy. The hierarchy window contains a list of every game object referred to in this guide as an object in the current scene. Some of these are direct instances of asset files, like 3D models, and other are instances of prefabs, which are custom objects that make up most of your games. An asset may come from a file created outside of Unity, such as a 3D model, an audio file, or an image. You can also create some asset types in Unity, such as an animator controller, an audio mixer, or a render texture. Overall, the hierarchy in Unity serves as a fundamental organizational and structural tool for managing game objects, controlling rendering order, handling events, and facilitating script communication within a scene. The second, I will talk about inspector. Games in Unity are made up of multiple game objects that contain meshes, scripts, sounds, or other graphical elements like lights. The inspector displays detailed information about your current selected objects, including all attached components and their properties. The third, I will talk about project window. The project window displays all of the files related to your project and is the main way you can navigate and find assets and other project files in your application. And now I will talk about the overlays. Overlays can also display contextual information about your selection. To improve your workflow, you can position overlays, select which overlays to display or hide, and save, import, or export overlay configurations. And now let's talk about the toolbar. You can find the toolbar at the top of the Unity editor. It is not a window and is the only part of the Unity interface that you can't rearrange. The toolbar consists of 7 basic controls, each relate to different parts of the editor. You got transform tools, transform gizmo toggles, play, pause, step buttons, cloud button, account drop-down, layers, and layout. The transform tools used with the scene view. The transform gizmo toggles affects the scene view displays. The play, pause, step buttons used with the game scene. Cloud button opens the Unity services window. Account drop-down used to access your Unity account. Layers controls which objects are displayed in scene view. Layout controls arrangement of all views. Now the scene view. The scene view is where you visualize and interact with the world you create in the editor. In the scene view, you can select, manipulate, and modify game objects that act as scenery, characters, cameras, lights, and more. And now the game view. The game view is rendered from the cameras in your game. It is representative of your final published game. You will need to use one or more cameras to control what the player actually sees when they are playing your game. And then I will talk about the status bar. The status bar provides notifications about various Unity processes and quick access to related tools and settings. You cannot move or rearrange the status bar. That is all for me today. Thank you.